Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch movies on Pluto TV. If you want to watch movies on Pluto TV, then first thing to do is to open a web browser and visit the Pluto TV website. Open up any web browser and go to the search box and type in pluto.tv and search. Also make sure to log into your account by entering your account's credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Create a free account and log into it. Now scroll down and click on the movies section at the bottom left hand corner, which will then show you a list of movies you can select from. Browse through the movie library and select the one you would like to watch and click on the movie's thumbnail to open up. This will then take you to this page where you'll be able to see the summary of the movie and other options. Click on the watch button in order to start watching the movie. Soon after you do that, it'll start playing immediately. You can now go ahead and continue watching the movie, and there are a bunch of options at the bottom left from where you can control your playback. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.